Hi friends, this is Aditi from Jasmine DIY, and today we are going to be making DIY snowflakes. So let's get started. So the first step to do this is to fold the paper like this. So the paper is going to be like this, and then you just fold the paper like this. And then you cut the extra part out. So let me show you guys. So if you so you just need to cut this out so that doesn't look weird. So yeah, this is like this, and we cut it out. So the next step is, so then your triangle would be like this, and then you need to flip the triangle over like this, and then you fold your triangle like this. So your triangle was like this, and then this, and then you folded it like this, then it's a triangle again. But if you want to fold it again, you could do that, but it's just harder to cut and there's more designs in there. But I don't like to do that because it's hard to cut, so I'll go with this. And you could make your own designs, or you could just follow me with mine. And I'm not really good at doing snowflake designs, but I could try. So I'm just gonna cut this upside down triangle on the middle like this. And then over here, I'm just gonna cut this and this. And then on the sides, I don't really know, so I'm just gonna do a big fat triangle. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a big fat triangle in the other side. And then in the bottom, I'm just gonna make another triangle. So let me do that. And then I think that's the only designs I'm gonna make. So now let's open it and see how our snowflakes turned out. Our snowflakes turned out like this, but maybe you could make a better one. So if you liked it, please subscribe, comment down below anything you want, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!